let's talk branches, guys. The whole reason why we use faux stems is because we want to make it look like we brought real branches in from outside, and this this is not it. So let me show you 2 tricks that will change the way any branch will look. First, we have a large mouth vessel, and so I'm actually going to use chicken wire to shove down inside, and what that's going to do is create a grid structure for me to easily tuck the stems into so I can control where they stay. Now, we're going to take the really good quality stems that we bought, and we're going to unwrap them, and we are going to give them some love. Bend each stem, give it a little bit of movement, and instantly, isn't that so much better? Remember, nothing grows absolutely straight in nature, so why would we just pull them out of the package and throw them into a vase? A little bit of effort here goes a long way, guys. And let's peek down in there. You'll see, like, there's the chicken wire. You can see it just holds them, and it really creates a good structure. It's so much easier than using foam, and it feels a whole lot less like permanent. Now that is something that looks good. And that's how, just with a couple easy steps, you can take any branch and make it look like you really brought them in from the outside.